Economic and public health impact of avian influenza. Economic consequences for poultry farmers. 1. Mass culling of birds leads to financial losses. 2. Export restrictions on poultry products reduce profits. 3. Increased costs for biosecurity and disease control. Public health risks. 1. Certain AI strains, H5N1, H7N9, have infected humans, causing severe respiratory illnesses. 2. AI viruses do not spread easily from human to human, but direct contact with infected poultry poses risks. 3. Cooking poultry at high temperatures, above 165 degrees Fahrenheit per 74 degrees Celsius, kills the virus, making it safe for consumption.